So I'm back. I'm sure most people out there don't have a sonic cleaner to clean these parts. So what I noticed, a piece of wire would work, but conveniently, the return spring for the governor is the perfect diameter for cleaning out the holes in the jet. Just get it in there, wiggle it around, jostle it around a little bit, twist it, whatever you got to do. Just like that. Do it to all 6 holes. Every set of 6 holes. Clean them out. I already did this, so there you go. 6 holes open. 6 holes open. And 6 holes open. So we're going to put it back together and fire it up. I hope that helped. There's the spring. Clean them holes out good. Alright. Enjoy.